How do the rules related to angle pairs help you solve problems? How do the rules related to angle pairs help you solve problems? You want the long version of the notes or you want the short version of the notes?
Whatever you want.
Sure, good. All right, write this down. If two or more lines are cut by a transversal, then and you get to hold that thought for a second. If two or more lines are cut by a transversal, and let's do this, add the word, the most important word here, parallel. If two or more parallel lines, I apologize for leaving that out. Then, corresponding alternate interior alternate exterior angles are congruent. And consecutive interior angles are supplementary. And trust me, that's the shortcut, short version. Okay? It's a lot of words, but here's what it says. If two or more parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior angles are congruent, and consecutive interior angles are supplementary. Okay? Corresponding angles are congruent, alternate interior angles are congruent, alternate exterior angles are congruent. Consecutive interiors are supplementary. Okay? Now, this is going to make more sense when you see this picture right here. So don't write anything, just watch, please. All right, is N parallel to O?
Yes.
Is N parallel to O?
No.
Why not?
It's got
There's a line cut.
Is line N parallel to line O? It looks like it to me.
Yeah, they're both by each other. Right?
I thought we said yesterday that they're not parallel unless it's got that symbol on there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so are they parallel now?
Yeah.
Why are they parallel now?
one.
Because they got the symbol on there, right? That says they're parallel. As soon as the symbol goes away, are they parallel now? They're not parallel, are they? There's not enough information in the diagram or in the picture. What if you're told that N is parallel to O? Are they parallel now? Yeah, because that's the given information. So, if these two are parallel, here's what the notes just told you. If this angle right here, let's say that it is 60. That it is 60 degrees. Okay? Now, do you see this angle right here? What's the relationship between these two?
They both equal 60
They both equal 60. Why?
because they're parallel.
Because they're alternate interior angles, aren't they? And alternate interior angles are congruent. Alright? Now, if this one's 60, what's this one right here? 60. Why?
They're alternate interior.
Because corresponding angles are congruent, right? If this one is 60, what is this one? Why? Because alternate exterior angles are congruent. Okay? If this one is 60, what is this one?
180, 120.
120. Why?
Because it equals 180.
Because consecutive interior angles are supplementary, right? If this one's 120, what's this one? Why?
Because it's supplementary.
Because alternate interior angles are congruent, right? If this one's 120, what's this one?
120.
Why?
Because they're alternate. Wait. They're congruent.
They're congruent because they're vertical angles, aren't they? They're vertical angles. And because it corresponds to this 120. Okay? If this one is 120, what is this one? Why? Corresponding angles are congruent. Alright? So today you're going to be asked to list the angle measures and tell what postulate or theorem you used. And all you're going to have to tell me is corresponding angles are congruent. Consecutive interiors are supplementary. Alternate exteriors are congruent. Alternate interiors are congruent. Alright? They form a linear pair is a reason. Vertical angles are congruent. Okay? Those reasons have to be attached to your answers. The number is just important as the reason that they're congruent. Does everybody understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody not understand that? Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
Good. Let's try it again. Because it's fun. Because you love geometry. Yes, you do. We got L, we got M, and we got N. Are M and N parallel?
No.
Why not?
The mark isn't there.
There's not enough information, is there? Are they parallel now? Yes, they are. Very good. All right, if this angle is 150 degrees, okay? What is this angle right here?
150.
Why?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles are congruent. If this angle is 150, what is this angle? 150. Why?
Alternate interior
Alternate interior angles are congruent. Perfect. If this one is 150, what is this one? 30. Why?
consecutive interior.
Consecutive interior angles are supplementary. If this is 30, this is 30 because alternate interior angles are congruent. All right. Let's see if that's 30 right there. What's that?
30.
Because
Interior
interior corresponding. Because corresponding angles are congruent. And what about these last two right here? 150. These two are vertical, and this is 30. Vertical angles are congruent. Okay? You got to know the angle measure. You got to know the reason. Everybody all right with that? Excellent, excellent. Now, keep paying attention. Stay focused. No yawning. Very good. They're parallel. A, B, and C. Now, the other type of questions you're going to get today are going to look like maybe this is 60 and maybe this is 5x plus 10 and maybe this,
It's 5x plus 10.
I don't know, maybe that's y. Okay? You're going to be asked to solve for x and y. All right? What I recommend that you do, first thing, is you draw the picture and you fill in all the information that you know. And what that does is it helps your brain get started on solving these problems. So if you start filling in everything that you know, if this angle is 60 up here, this one is how much? That's 60, and what's that? 60, right? And what's this?
60.
So there, the y is done, isn't it? All right? Now, if this is 60, what's this? It's 120 because they're a linear pair, right? So, what's this?
120.
Good, and what's that? So look, aren't these two vertical angles? Aren't they equal to each other?
120 equals 5x plus 10.
So 5x plus 10 equals the 120. Subtract 10. The 5x equals 110. Divide by 5. And what? X equals 22.
Yeah.
Okay? You see that? What may happen is you may get a problem and it may not look like there's enough information in there to solve the problem. Start filling in what you know based on the rules we went over today. And before you know it, you're going to have all the information that you need. Clear? All right, your assignment for today is page 183. Page 183, 1 through 19. Be sure to check the odds in the back of the book, please. Check odds in the back.